Hey, Mama, that's what happens when you get about your age, y'all. You wish you was younger.
I'm not even flipping.
No?
No. Fuck that.
Don't give me that over. Fuck that. Straight up.
Come on, nah. Hey, can we take that off and jump in from the top?
It looks like you can.
Oh, no, you can't. Fuckers, we thought of that.
Uh-oh, here they go. Down the slide. Jen!
Oh. Hey, that was fun.
Because Christopher...
Hey, you just gotta let shit go. You know? You just gotta let shit flow with it flow.
I'm so reminded of y'all when y'all were hanging from like the swing sets and shit.
Yeah, it used to be.
My shit dirty. I'm trying to get my fucking LSU hat.
Yeah, old, bro. Shit, man, he sucks.